One of the biggest questions I get asked is exactly what service to sell with GoHighLevel. And if you're going to be starting an agency, you really need to have this dialed in. It comes with so many different softwares inside of that software. I'm going to walk you guys through today exactly how to choose a specific software. And then I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how I go about bundling those different services to come out with a product that you can then sell. Now, choosing GoHighLevel services to sell is a tricky subject because it depends what your expertise is in. Now, if you are brand new to this, you can go ahead and go to my school community and I walk you guys through more in-depth ways to go about choosing this. But we're gonna go over the basics here so you know exactly what you can sell and the potential that it can give to your clients. So you can build and sell a combination of services to potential clients. With GoHighLevel, it has so many different services built into it. So what you really wanna do is you want to bundle them in a way that's very appealing to that specific niche. So for example, you could do landing page with a booking scheduler and email automations, and then you can sell the website itself for $1,000. You can go up to $2,000 for this website, depending on the complexity of it. Now, I would always suggest to bake in some type of monthly reoccurring revenue into this. So if you're going to be doing any type of hosting for them, for example, giving them the website and then running the email automations, I would definitely charge somewhere from $600 to $1,000, depending on the functionality that you give them. This is going to go ahead and get a company started with landing clients and nurturing those clients. The great part about GoHighLevel and these services that we're selling is that you build it once and then you get paid while it runs automatically. So in this slide right here, I've gone ahead and pulled out some of the best softwares that you can sell to businesses right now. Now, I've labeled them business processes to automate because that's what we're trying to do with these SaaS frameworks. Now, one of the big features that GoHighLevel has is its website builder, and it's amazing because you can attach so many different things to this specific website. So if you do build a website for someone, you can then later upsell them any type of schedulers or AI chatbots, lead nurture sequences. So I think you're starting to get the idea here is what we're gonna do is we're gonna build a framework for what SaaS we're gonna offer. Now, I'm gonna just go around this list and show you what different services that are built into GoHighLevel that you can start selling today. Automate Google review requests. And when you do that, you set up an automation to send email sequences out asking for reviews from already sold customers. So some people call this a database reactivation campaign, and essentially you have a pre-built database reactivation campaign email sequence built inside of GoHighLevel. You take your clients or potential clients list and upload them into the top of this workflow. And as they go down through the workflow, they are prompted to go ahead and leave a review. Now, you definitely want to make sure that this sends out to Google customers that had a good experience. And there's certain ways of making sure that you are posting the best reviews possible without violating any of Google's review gating terms and services, which is something very important to look at because you're not allowed to handpick services. It is in direct violation with Google's terms of services for Google My Business. The next one I'm going to go over here is Global Inbox. Now, GoHighLevel has a very unique feature inside where you can connect Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Google My Business, and all of these get funneled into one inbox where then your client can go ahead and speak to all of these customers inside of that one inbox. Now, this really helps because it consolidates all of the complexities of managing so many different social accounts. Now, this is a great service that you can start selling to them, and it's a very easy one to go ahead and hook your client up into. Something like this would definitely be a monthly recurring revenue, so you want to make sure that you price it accordingly. Now, I went over this before, but responding to Google My Business with AI is another way that you can go ahead and automate the process for them for getting clients into their business. Now, the way you sell the AI chat features inside of GoHighLevel is you show that the value of being able to respond to customers and potential customers very, very quickly with AI. Now, that's huge because everybody knows that you want a warm lead to stay a warm lead, and you want to follow up with that lead as soon as possible because a lead will go cold very quickly and go find another company within a few minutes if you don't get back to them right away. The next one I'm going to talk about is multi-platform posting scheduler, and the multi-platform platform posting scheduler is a great addition in this tool belt because you can literally have somebody log on here, connect all of their socials such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and they can post one post and post it across all of the platforms. Now, this is going to save the company tons and tons of time when it comes to creating content and creating outreach. Another function of this is that this software will help them schedule a month to 2 months in advance of these pieces of content. So as you can see, that's going to help save them tons of time. Another great feature that I see a lot of people selling inside of GoHighLevel is called missed call text back. And how this works is when somebody reaches out to a phone number inside of the business and that person does not pick up the phone number, we automatically set up an automation that sends an SMS text message to that potential customer, letting them know that someone within the team will reach back out to them very quickly. So for example, if you're selling to the HVAC niche and they're on a job site, then he's not going to be able to pick up his phone. So what that does is that keeps the lead warm and also can connect to somebody else inside of the business. For example, if they have an admin assistant, it can go ahead and forward that call and shoot the text message and then add it inside of their pipeline as a warm lead. Now, this is great because you automatically get to capture that person's phone number and create them as a contact inside of GoHighLevel. That adds it into the CRM, and you can do future outreaches back to them trying to make a sale for them. So with so many options here, how do you get started and where do you go from here? So what I would do is I would pick 1 or 2 of these services and build a product with it. For example, you can take the website builder and build somebody a landing page, and then with that landing page, you also set up a email sequence for them, so then you can do lead nurturing and the landing page. Now, you should get creative with this because there are so many options for mixing these up into what you want. And some of them are more hands-on than others, but the greatest part about this is there are already tons and tons of companies running $100,000, $500,000 a month selling just one of these services. So when you combine 2 of these services, then you're able to stand out from the crowd. You're able to come up with a unique solution to these companies. Now, I've made a video in the top right that you can go ahead and click where I go more in depth on how you build these out and how to create a product that will solve a business process and automate it for your client. Now, if you guys want to learn more about how we use this process every single day to land clients, I'll leave some links down there that you can follow to get started on your SaaS journey. I'll catch you in the next one.